That car is so freaking fast.
It's sick, dude.
It does sound pretty good.
It sounds really good.
We are going to start working on the car, so... Oh gosh.
Oh, third foot's coming up, Brian.
Oh no. We have some really bad news. Thank you for clicking on today's video. If you guys watched the last video, I bought one of my dream cars, a Tesla Model 3, and this thing has been so good to me. This front trunk is really nice, and it's been storing these moving blankets. But underneath these moving blankets, we got a fat check.
For me.
Not for him. We got a fat check because yes, we are buying another car. Now I'm not going to tell you what it is until we see the car. The boys here at 8080 are going to help me go pick up that car. It is in pieces. So we're going to throw that in the back of these trucks and get the car over to one of my friend's house. And thankfully, I have some awesome friends like Paul, and then Levi and Danny are going to be showing up. They're going to be helping us move all the body panels. I'm so freaking stoked to see this car. But I'm also a little bit nervous because I haven't even started this car. So I don't know if it'll start up, but we'll see. And the car looks amazing. Guys, we bought a freaking race car.
Let's go.
That sounds yummy.
Sounds great.
We got a freaking race car.
Race car.
Don't film the inside of my truck.
Okay. No, it's
I've
just
got
all hood.
kids.
Freaking Levi working the magic.
Oh, dude, I got kids. You know how many Barbie playhouses I've had to set up? This is cake.
So this is my first time ever owning a manual car, as I actually don't have any mirrors there or there. It's actually right there. And we don't have a hood on. I can't wait to show my wife. I don't know what she's gonna think about the car. She hasn't seen any pictures of it or the car itself. So we'll see how that conversation goes. Now, if I was actually good at driving this car, I'd say we should race Paul. But I'm not good at driving this thing. So Paul and some of the guys at my work are gonna give me a few lessons on how to drive a manual properly. Let's be honest, I might stall out. I'm so excited to like learn how to drive this, to build it. This is gonna be such a great car. And of course, my first time driving this thing, it starts raining. Hopefully we're not slipping around too much. Well, we made it here to Danny's garage. Now we gotta see how many parts we can fit in Danny's garage.
I'm not sure I understand.
Freaking Siri ruining the moment. We made it back in 1,000 pieces, not too shabby. Dude, Paul, that car is so freaking fast.
It's sick, dude.
It does sound pretty good.
It sounds really good. Oh my goodness. Are you excited?
I'm so freaking excited. We're gonna take some lessons from Paul here, the mastermind of
I don't know
driving.
about mastermind.
I think you're the mastermind of driving.
Well,
you're
thank you. I appreciate that.
You're a race car driver. Let's get all these parts into the garage. It is finally setting in that I actually bought this car, like driving it for the first time. Still doesn't feel real that much. Like it's setting in a little bit, but it's not quite there. But it's our Honda S2000. She's a beauty. We are going to start working on the car, so hopefully we can get quite a bit done. I don't think we'll necessarily finish it today. I honestly have no idea what I'm doing when it comes to building cars, but luckily we have our friend Casey up there, and he is going to help us put this thing together. It is very dusty, but that's okay, we're gonna get to work. Of course we got the guys mowing the lawn, but look how insane this hood looks. Casey, this thing's looking good. We gotta drill some holes in here.
We gotta drill a hole in.
Holy moly. Looks like it's gonna go through.
Looks like it goes through the top.
Oh man. No.
You know what we forgot?
We didn't do it.
Forgot to get the drill bits.
Oh man, I think we're too big. This is the first mod on the car. That's how the cookie crumbles.
Okay, there you go, Brad. All done.
Well, we have made a little bit of progress, but we need to go to Home Depot. What's going on?
Done.
Holy moly!
Right.
I saw this coming.
I feel like I'm 12 again, and your dad's like, no power tools.
I still haven't used power tools.
You did once.
True, I used a drill. Something like this.
That's not a drill. That's real.
I use this
We'll teach you one day, Brian.
one day.
Drilling some more holes in your Honda S2000. Wait, what?
We want to get this blue wrap off because we have decided we're going to make the car black, but we don't have a heat gun,
I
so...
got something.
Oh gosh. Casey just keeps one of these in his back pocket.
Just in the trunk.
You don't want me to do it, Casey?
I don't want you to burn your stuff.
Yeah, I have no idea what I'm doing.
Yeah, this is hotter than the surface of the sun, Brian, you know?
Oh yeah, look, I'm so hot. This is just coming off for me. It's not coming off. Yeah, this is a pretty good wrap. Well, I don't know if it comes off easily, that makes it a good wrap, but...
It does.
It does?
It doesn't leave any of the adhesive.
We don't even need to wash the car. We're just peeling the dust off. Oh no.
Your clear coat's coming up, Brian.
Oh no.
You
Put the wrap back on.
Good wrap, bad clear coat.
Man, I told myself I was never going to buy a black car again, and here we just bought two. It's going to be so hot during the summer. Boom. We all done. Now we just need to do that piece and that piece and that piece and the other piece. We have run into a problem. One of our rib nuts is in there sideways. Casey didn't do that, by the way. That was already in there. Look at that thing.
Got her.
Easy peasy lemon squeezy. And now we got the bumper and the fenders put together. We gotta see what it looks like.
It's gonna start looking like a
booty of this
real
thing.
car.
Kind of looks like a real car. Oh, look at this thing.
Remember these.
It's looking like a car. A race car. Well, it was a long day, but we got the back bumper and the back fenders on, which actually looks so good. I'm really surprised how well this is coming along. Now, with the front, here's where our issues are happening. So we're having a little bit of trouble fitting the fenders just around the light and getting the bumpers, and there's just like huge gaps. They don't look the best, but we're gonna figure it out. I'm not gonna figure it out. Casey's gonna figure it out, and I'm gonna try and be as helpful as possible, but look how amazing this front hood is. This car is gonna look so sick. It's just the beginning. We need to get some wheels because those do look pretty goofy. But Casey and I will be back at it again another day. So for now, I'm gonna go eat some dinner. Now that dinner was freaking amazing, but we have some really bad news. So if you remember earlier, there were little holes all around the car, and those were for the body panel so that we can actually screw them to the car and hold it in. Now, all of these holes that were drilled into the car were drilled in the wrong spot. This is not Casey's fault. This is how I bought the car. So Casey's going to have to fix it and drill the holes from here to like here. Not this far, but like that far. But the really scary part about this is we do not have the original panels to the car. So if we do mess up on this, we don't have the old panels to go back to. So as you can imagine, this is very stressful, but I have faith in Casey, and I don't know if we're going to be able to fix it, but we're going to try. But you should comment down below if we should actually push through this project. Well, actually Casey will be doing most of the pushing, or if we should just scrap this whole thing and let someone else deal with it. And while you're doing that, make sure you hit that like and subscribe button. We will see you guys next time. I got a race car.
Well, you got parts of a race car.
Thank you.